Over the last few years, China has become the center of the humanoid robot revolution. Companies like Unitree, AgiBot, Fourier, EngineAI, UBTech, and many others are developing robots at an incredible pace. Every month seems to bring a new announcement. A robot that runs faster. A robot that moves more naturally. A robot that performs tasks that seemed impossible only a few years ago. And as these demonstrations spread across social media, a growing number of people have reached the same conclusion. China is winning the humanoid robot race. At first glance, it's difficult to disagree. Chinese companies are moving fast. They are building impressive machines, and they are creating an entire ecosystem around humanoid robotics. While the rest of the world is still discussing the future, many Chinese companies are already building it. Meanwhile, Tesla appears to be taking a very different approach. Compared to the constant stream of announcements coming from China, Tesla has remained surprisingly quiet. There are no weekly robot reveals, no endless demonstrations, no daily headlines showing new prototypes. And because of that, many observers have started asking the same question. Has Tesla fallen behind? Has the company that helped transform the electric vehicle industry lost its chance to lead the next technological revolution? The answer may seem obvious, but the reality is more complicated. Because when most people compare humanoid robots, they focus on what they can see, how fast a robot walks, how naturally it moves, how impressive a demonstration looks. But building a great robot is only part of the challenge. The real challenge begins when you try to build not one robot, but a million. And that's where this story starts to become far more interesting.
Maybe we've been asking the wrong question. It's not about building the best robot today. It's about building millions of them tomorrow. And that's where Tesla becomes interesting.
When most people think about Tesla, they think about electric cars. But Tesla's greatest strength may have nothing to do with cars at all. For more than a decade, the company has been solving one of the hardest problems in modern industry: mass production. Building a prototype is impressive. Building thousands of products is difficult. Building millions is something entirely different. Tesla has spent years developing factories, supply chains, automation systems, and manufacturing processes on a scale that very few companies can match. And that's why some analysts believe the company's biggest advantage isn't Optimus itself, it's the machine behind the machine. The infrastructure needed to produce humanoid robots in enormous numbers. Because if humanoid robots become part of everyday life, success won't depend only on intelligence, speed, or agility. It will depend on cost, availability, reliability, and the ability to manufacture at scale. This is where Tesla could become a serious competitor, even if it appears quieter than many of its rivals today. But there's one problem with this argument. China isn't standing still. While Tesla continues to focus on long-term manufacturing, Chinese robotics companies are improving at an extraordinary speed. Every new generation brings better movement, better balance, better dexterity, and lower costs. And perhaps most importantly, China isn't relying on a single company. It has built an entire ecosystem, dozens of manufacturers, research institutions, component suppliers, AI developers, all working on different parts of the same challenge. This creates something that is very difficult to replicate: momentum. And momentum matters, because every new robot helps accelerate the development of the next one. Every breakthrough becomes a foundation for future progress. That's why many experts believe China remains the strongest contender in the humanoid robot race today, not because it has already won, but because it continues to move faster than almost anyone else. And that's exactly what makes this competition so fascinating. One side is betting on speed, the other may be betting on scale, and the winner is still impossible to predict.
So who's really ahead? The one building the best robots today? Or the one preparing to build millions tomorrow? Maybe the real winner hasn't revealed itself yet.
The honest answer is that nobody knows. Right now, China appears to have the advantage. Its robotics companies are moving at an incredible speed, releasing new humanoid robots, improving hardware, reducing costs, and expanding an ecosystem that becomes stronger with every passing month. From the outside, it looks like the race is already decided. But history has taught us that technological revolutions rarely follow a straight line. The first company to impress the world is not always the company that ends up transforming it. We've seen this before with personal computers. We've seen it with smartphones. We've seen it with electric vehicles. And we may be about to see it again with humanoid robots. Tesla is taking a very different approach. Instead of competing to release the greatest number of demonstrations, the company appears to be investing in something that may become even more important over the next decade: manufacturing, automation, artificial intelligence, and the ability to produce at an enormous scale. Because building a humanoid robot is an extraordinary engineering achievement, but building millions of them, while keeping costs low, quality high, and production reliable, is an entirely different challenge. One side is pushing innovation at an incredible pace. The other is preparing for mass production. Both strategies could succeed, both could fail. And that's exactly why calling a winner today would be a mistake. One thing, however, is already certain. The age of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction. It has already begun. The only question now is, who will lead the next chapter? Let us know what you think in the comments.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, because the future isn't incoming, it's already here.